Hi, this is Steve Natale, and today in the garage we're in Stockton, California at GM Sports, one of my favorite places to source vintage car parts. Today we're going to talk about 3 things that are most important when selecting parts for your vintage car. Today in the garage. The first thing to consider is where to buy your parts. For me, the West is the best. This is where all the cool parts are. Most cars are sold here. There are rust-free areas in Arizona and Mexico. Those were sparsely populated and they did not sell a lot of cars there. Consequently, there aren't a lot of cars there today. In California, they sold tons of cars, a lot of really neat cars, really high-end cars, a lot of muscle cars. And they all landed up here in California. The second most important consideration when looking for vintage parts is selection. You want to find a vendor that has a lot of parts. There are a lot of parts here. They know the difference between the different pieces. Buying one piece off of Craigslist or eBay, hoping it fits from some guy that has cleaning out his garage or was trying to be his own little businessman making deals on the side, those often end badly. The third most important factor, and probably the most important, is to make sure you're dealing with a quality vendor. Somebody who's going to ship your parts on time, who's going to wrap them carefully, they're going to get to you safely. They've been in business for a long time. These places can be checked out online. You can check with other sources, car clubs. Verify that it's a quality business and not some guy out of his garage who doesn't know what the hell he's doing or trying to ship you a part and it's going to get there flattened or it's going to be rusty or full of Bondo or something like that. When you deal with a reputable company like this, like GM Sports, it's a safe bet you're going to get a good part.